Hello, sit. I'm Louis and here is Charlie. Today I've got something really big for you. Yes, you've guessed it right. The pan. This is what we're gonna need today. Let's get cracking. Charlie, we've done it! Now, we're gonna beat egg yolks with this. Oh! Shake, shake, shake. Pour the egg yolks into the bowl. Now we're going to steam the egg yolk. We're gonna keep it nice and warm. Here we go. And with this, we're going outside. We've started the fire and we are going to put the grill and also the pan. We are going to put these rings so that we can let more air flowing in. A little bit of oil, egg white in. The egg yolk's ready. Let's take it out. It's looking really good. We're going to flip this over to a plate. Look at that, it's looking perfect. Put the yolk right in the middle. Put the rest of the egg white on top of the yolk. To cook the egg white on top, I'm going to put a lid on. I think it's already done. We're going to bring it inside. This is actually quite heavy. Are you ready for this? It's shiny. It's one single sunny side up. I want this in my belly. Not bad, not bad. What did you think about our 30 egg sunny side up? I really enjoyed it. I think Charlie did that too. So if you do, please like us, share us and leave us a comment. See you next time.